This is a video on how I wired a subwoofer and amp to my stock Bose head unit on a 2006 Tahoe. You can see first I cut into that battery cable terminal and wired that to my fuse here, and then cut into a slit in the firewall there and push that through from the inside. And then obviously that comes in from back there, and I ran it to the side and down all the way through this floor panel. These just pop up, and grounded it under this one onto a nut that was there. I sanded it with some or I actually used steel wool to clean that off. Wired it to my amp here and had the auxiliary cables running under this carpet here and then around to the other side. So yeah, so it comes up under there, runs up these panels here, and then up under the glove box here, you can see where they come up and go across into the head unit. And I wanted to keep the factory head unit because I tapped into the XM module with an aux cord, so I don't have XM, but I do have the aux. That's really easy. There's a couple videos on that, but basically you come in under here, that just pops out, and you wire, or you have to get a line out converter. Basically, I think it was like 10 bucks or something, and you wire that into the line out converter and cut into these 4 wires on your stock amp. It is the solid green, like a turquoise I'd say, a black and green, a blue and green, and a blue and white. So you can see those there, and I guess just mix match until they work, because I honestly completely forgot which one was which. And so then I have the bass knob coming through. I just drilled a hole through the side there and mounted that with a piece of Velcro. So, I mean, you know, it's pretty self-explanatory. But the biggest thing that there was no videos I found on, so the reason I'm making this is to show how I got the remote power or 12-volt power with the ignition. And basically, so there's this box here. It's like another sort of fuse panel, I guess. And what I did was I ran that remote wire up the side paneling here and tapped in. I used like a Harbor Freight connector, and you can see in the top left of this module there's 2 prongs in the very top left port, and if you tap into the right one, that gives you power for the amplifier. So it works great. If y'all have any questions, just ask and I'll try and respond. Thank you.